Hey everyone, welcome to problem 8.25, A and D from chapter 8, and this comes from chapter 8, section 3, the ionization of water. Okay, for these problems, you just want to be sure that you know the ion product constant of water, and that is given the symbol Kw. Okay, so Kw equal to hydronium concentration times hydroxide concentration, which is always equal to 1.0 times 10 to the negative 14. And this is kind of our basis for the periodic table. Okay, and so here we're given the hydronium concentrations of coffee and lemon juice. Okay, and so what we can do if we're looking for the hydroxide concentration, we can just rearrange our ion product constant equation, and if we rearrange this, we would get hydroxide concentration is equal to 0.0 times 10 to the negative 14. This should be molarity there. And then we would have it all over the hydronium concentration. Okay, so we would plug this in for 1.0 times 10 to the negative 5th molar. Okay, probably the biggest mistake on these problems is being able to use your calculator correctly. Okay, so if you have a really basic calculator, I'm not sure that it'll even give you the right numbers, but one rule of thumb is to plug in parentheses in your calculator around all of these values whenever you have a number in scientific notation, and so that may help you. Okay, but your answer should be 1.0 times 10 to the negative 9 molarity. So that is the hydroxide concentration. Okay, if you don't get this number, a lot of times a student will get 1.0 times 10 to the negative 7 or to the negative 11, and it'll be off just by the exponent, and that's just a calculator issue. So work on your calculator, try to look up how you should use it, and rule of thumb, use parentheses, use your caret top key is what I call it. So when you're plugging in, put that caret top key that's on your calculator and plug it in like so into your calculator. Okay, for lemon juice, we're going to do the same. Okay, so this ion product constant is very nice because we can, if we know one concentration, hydronium or hydroxide, we can solve for the other. So here we're solving for hydroxide, but we could also do the reverse. Okay, so we plug it in parentheses, our calculator. We're going to divide it by the hydronium concentration. We should get 4.0 times 10 to the negative 13 molarity for the lemon juice. I hope this helps for problem 8.25.